welcome back to my channel Easy Mathematics. So today we are going to discuss our new topic fractions. So here we'll learn what is the meaning of fraction, its types and where do we use. So let us start. So we have our first question, what is a fraction? So let us start with an example. Suppose I have one circle. It is a complete circle and now I am making its two equal parts. So here two equal parts. In that I have shaded one part. So if you want to write as a fraction means, so out of these I have shaded only one. So number of parts are 2. In that I have shaded one part. So as a fraction I will write 1 by 2. So fraction is nothing but it is a part of whole. From this whole only we have written as 1 by 2. Because here half part we have shaded. We had a complete circle. In that we have shaded just a half. Half means 1 by 2. Let us see one more example. Suppose I have a rectangle and I made its three equal parts. 1, 2 and 3. Here I have shaded two parts. That is here. Now suppose I want to write as a fraction. So number of parts. You have to write first number of parts. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. In that how many have shaded? 2. So you have to write here 2. So then question is that what do you mean by this 2 and 3? What do we call it? So the upper one value. This is called numerator. And this is called denominator. So same as here, it's your numerator and this is your denominator. This is called. So what do you mean by this line? It is a fractional line or fractional bar. It means it is divided. 1 divided by 2 also you can say, and it is a fraction. So you know what is the meaning of fraction. We'll see now types of fractions. So first one is proper fraction. So proper word is itself says that it is a proper. Here one circle, in that total parts we have made 4 parts. Out of that number of parts are shaded how many? 2. So how to write as a fraction? 2 by 4. Total parts are 4. Out of that 2 are shaded. So 2 by 4. So when we call it as a proper fractions? When denominator, this denominator is greater than numerator. So d is greater than n. You can call it as proper fractions like 9 by 10, 5 by 6, 4 by 13. These all are proper fraction. Why? Because d is greater than n. So next one is improper fraction. Improper means it is not a proper. Is it possible to take 10 marks out of 3? No, you can't. Suppose this is a rectangle. I have divided into 3 parts. Can you take 4 parts out of 3? No. It is improper fraction. So whenever you are seeing n is greater than d. N is greater than d. So it is a improper fraction. These improper fractions we have to convert into mixed fraction. So these all are examples of improper fractions. 6 by 4, 9 by 5, 8 by 7. Now we'll convert these improper fractions into mixed fraction. This is what our third fraction is, mixed fraction. So how to convert into mixed fraction? So this 6 by 4 will divide by what? 4. 6 divided by 4. So here 4 ones are 4. How many times? 1 time. Here subtraction. 6 minus 4 is what? 2. How to write it? As a mixed fraction. So write here first whole. This is what your quotient. This is your remainder. This is your divisor. So first you will write quotient. Then your remainder. Remainder is 2. Divisor is 4. So we can call it as 1, 2 by 4. So this 1 is what? Whole. Whole part is shaded. So in this circle, I have made 4 parts and these all parts are shaded. So this is what? Complete. What is the fraction of these? 4 parts are shaded out of 4. 4 ones are means complete 1. This is what your complete whole. This is what? Whole, your circle. Next one is 2 by 4. So again one more circle plus one more circle. Number of parts are 4. Out of that you have shaded 2 parts. So how to write this fraction as 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means number of parts are 4 and total parts how many are 4, in that you have shaded only 2. So 2 by 4. So 1 is whole here as a quotient and 2 by 4. This is what your fraction. So you can call this as what? Mixed fraction. So you know how to convert now improper fractions to mixed fraction. So next one is like fraction. So what do you mean by like fraction? So whenever you are seeing in a fractions, all denominators are same. Same means equal. So you have to call it as like fractions. Next one is unlike fraction. Just opposite. All the denominators are different. Here 9 by 18, 6 by 13, 4 by 12. So these all are unlike fractions. Next one is unit fraction. So whenever you are seeing numerator, this is what your numerator is 1. 1 by 10, 1 by 12, 1 by 19. So these all are called as what? Unit fraction. Next one is equivalent fraction. So what do you mean by equivalent? I have one whole here circle and I made 4 parts, 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of that I have shaded 2 parts. So it is a fraction what? 2 by 4. And same this half part I have divided into more 2 parts. That is what? Total 4 parts. So this is one whole. Out of that 4 parts are shaded. And number of parts are 8 and 4 are shaded. So see here, just to compare these two circles. Here half part is shaded. And same half part is made divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can call it as what? Equivalent fraction. Means these two fractions are equal. 2 by 4 and 4 by 8. If you divide this 4 by 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So you will get 1 by 2. Here also 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. What you will get? 1 by 2. So this both the fractions you are getting same. So half of the part of this whole are shaded. That is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So these two are equivalent fraction. Means 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 is what? Equivalent fraction. So today we have discussed what is fractions and its the types. What? Proper fraction, improper, mixed, like, unlike, unit and equivalent fraction. So in next video we'll see how to find the equivalent fractions and whether fractions are equivalent or not, and addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.